Guan biscuits, a Singaporean's childhood. You see them everywhere, eat them almost all the time. But do you know where they came from? A biscuit that survived 67 years of history, in the building that stood against time and change.
History is written by the victors. In order to be victorious, you have to survive.
Weaving together old and new. The Khong Guan building. Survival through change. Built in 1952 after the Second World War, on a triangular plot of land at the apex of two roads, stood a building with character.
The shape of the land that it sits on is actually the shape of the building, and then that becomes its unique character.
That was the Khong Guan building, which served as a modern landmark of neighbourhood.
It's a 3-story building. On the facade, it says in Chinese and English, it says Khong Guan Biscuit Factory, right? But this was the warehouse, and the front, where the little corner is, that's the shop. So that little landmark didn't just serve as a landmark to find your way around neighbourhood. Workers, students, housewives, everybody on their way to the fish market, to the wet market, stopped by to buy biscuits here. So actually, Khong Guan Biscuit was a household name in this neighbourhood before it became a household name in the rest of Singapore and internationally.
But the building was more than a landmark alone. It was home to co-founder, Mr. Chew. Just like a shop house, it operated the family business by day and was a roof over one's head by night.
我们的老板住在这，就是他在3楼，住在3楼，2楼是办事处，1楼是 store 来的。
They really grew their roots here. So even the second generation of the Chew family, they grew up here.
Mr. Chew's family were not the only ones who found home in the building. After their family moved out, long-term staff found their roots in Khong Guan and called the building home.
我在康年工作已有55年了。
进来 office 的时候，你会感觉好像进了一间自己的家这样，所以每个工作都很舒服，这样大家都很亲切在这边。
Like every family or business, change and improvements are not uncommon.
这个公司他们的 management 时常会进步改良这样。这个 limited 空湾 limited 的我们师兄弟啊，一直在竞争在扩张他的生意。
The first expansion began in 1960. The use of old imported Australian flour caused the Khong Guan biscuits to be of poor quality. Co-founder Chu King then decided it was time for change. To make better quality biscuits, he established the Khong Guan flour mill to refine flour in-house. Today, the building houses Khong Guan Limited, which runs the group's flour trade business.
在外面来讲，你讲康源，你跟人家讲我在康源做工，每个都会讲，哦，你是做康源饼干厂的哈。所以很少人会知道我们以前康源的我们的公司的名字是 Khong Guan Flour Milling Limited。
我们没有做饼干在这里，只是送面粉出去 ，import export 分 distribute 那个面粉。
In 2014, Khong Guan was again on the edge of change. The building found a new addition of a 5-story extension.
The vision for the extension was to enhance what was there, to draw some attention to the old stories and to continue the story of the building in the new extension.
Not renovation, but restoration. Its features and character remained intact.
The building itself is symbolic of an era. Maintaining the landmark character of this building was also something that we needed to retain. You see the big warehouse gate, you see the ornate side door, kind of boat-like nautical kind of characteristics, straight lines.
The original building and the new extension is separated by a glass panel and connected by a flight of steps. Walking from one floor to the other symbolizes the entry to a different era.
The old conservation building had a really unique story to it about the founder of Khong Guan, this international brand, its origins here, they were living here. So that was important to keep alive.
But a building cannot survive by restoration alone. It needs soul and a new purpose.
So the effort to keep our history, to keep our story intact is really giving them new relevance, not just some relic, right, that you put there but you can't use it anymore.
The Guan building found its new relevance when the Alchemist Cafe opened its doors in early 2019. Another era of change.
Guan, I mean, everyone in Singapore grew up knowing this brand. At the start, we get customers coming in expecting us to maybe sell Guan, also serve Guan Biscuit. People who work here, they are quite intrigued that actually this is now a cafe serving just coffee.
It may be a young startup, but the cafe successfully blends itself into the character of the Guan building.
We try to integrate what we feel about this old brand and also our new, like a young startup or new concept. So like we definitely try to do it slightly more retro, like maybe at the outside you see it's very casual, very more old school. Like the tiles that we choose, we try to match it to the outdoor as close as possible. So we get customers asking us like, are the tiles here from the start, that kind of thing. So I think that case shows that we have chosen the right to match the vibe of this place.
By merging old with new, bringing reminiscence.
老板他们啊，大老板他们看着我长大，现在他们看着我老。
But also amazement.
现在你看上去，看哇，很大不大，很美观。你看了一眼，还要再看一眼。
觉得哇，太漂亮了，这个建筑物。
History may have left its mark, but the present continues to evolve.
We are still working with Khong Guan to see where we can put little plaques where we tell these special stories of these special things, right?
History is written by the victors. In order to be victorious, you have to survive. People, places, buildings, all find new purposes, their new relevance. And that's survival through change.